Hello everyone, in this video we'll discuss how to add a pie chart to a column in a table or matrix visual in Power BI. Now let me switch to the computer for the demo. First I will show you the data table, and this is the summarized data table where you can see first column products, this is the target sales, and this is the actual sales. So here I'm going to add a one column and where I'll try to find out the difference, percentage difference between the sales and target. And after that we will create a one table visual and we will add that column into a table visual and add the pie chart for that. So now first I will add a new column, and here I'll say variance, variance percentage, and sales divided by target, target. So you can see the percentage. Let me format this into a percent. So you can see the 100% and 71 like that. Now I'll go to the Power BI report page, and from Power BI visual gallery I will add a one column chart. Let me increase the height and reduce the width. Okay, and I'll bring it here, and from the data model I will add a product as a first column, then I will add a target. Target will be a not sum of target, it don't summarize. Then I'll add a sales, and after that I will add a variance. So you can see the variance, it is not sum of variance, don't summarize this. And for variance column I will add a pie chart. To insert a pie chart, let me little bit we can format. To insert a pie chart, we'll select this visual and we will go to the formatting option, and in the formatting option we'll go to cells element, click on the cells element and select in which column you want to insert the pie chart. So I want to insert in variance percentage, which we have created right now. And after that I will go to the icon, enable a icon, and once I'll enable icon it will open this kind of the window. Let me remove all this, and from here you can see the pie chart kind of icon. You have to select. Once you will select, it automatically populate actually. So if 0 to 20% this pie will be appear, and 20 to 40% this, and 40 to 60% this, and 60 to 80% this, and if it will be 80 to 100% this. You can also customize. For example, here we can see 0 to 10. I will say 0 to 20, sorry. So I'll say 0 to 10, and if it will be from 10 to like that. So now let me click OK, and you will see the pie everywhere depending on the percentage value. You can also shift this pie chart into like left to right and right to left. So we'll see, we'll click again, and for example this is on top, we'll make it middle, and we can also shift it to right side, so it will be on the right side. And if you only want a pie, then you can, from here you can only select a icon only. So okay, so only the icon. So that's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.